Oh, no, join no, metolomaka na share button no. Good evening, my people. Greetings from Ezugo Global TV network na so, but I will try as much as possible. I want to join all this broadcast. I like it. Network and share button. Ogugo Chukwu, I greet you, sir. I greet you, sir. Biko, I greet you, sir. I want to join all this broadcast. Can I share this video then? I want to influence this our online lawyers. And the lawyers, and this senior advocate of Nigeria. I'm way online. I shall get here because I have one with you. But for avoidance of doubt, I will be telling our people, onya fubo na sikofu, onya fubo na sikofu, and when even na fumo fuka mado sholo that no you learn really with experience. What of experience ya biasha zie odo for some people who believe that na higher level with experience. Some of them live to tell that story. You other go. Some of them live to tell that story. Share this video. Share this video. I want to share about this video. Share this video. Metona can like and love button. Network na so, but nevertheless we push regardless. I'm on Facebook una meta. You other go. Facebook are not friendly today at all. Why are you supporting evil, young man like you? Your pastor is deceiving our people with fake miracle and fake waters and olive oil. You know, so Calvin, ifele me ukwago. As a youth, ifele you name as a youth. Yes, as a youth, ifele you name as a youth. Now in a country where okune pada dollar is trading at almost 1,600. Any motorable road do no put that. A bag of rice is selling at almost 80,000. A poor man cannot access anything in this country. The only thing a young youth, vibrant youth to do cargo, more time even on Facebook I be a call, I say, than the pastor olive oil. Ifele me ukwago. As a youth you, ifele as a youth to name. Fele supposed to read them moon. Afufuni nente mmadụ na ata n'obodo. The only thing unu nwelu if you're on Facebook, if you're na exhibit your wisdom is by coming online to come and talk about pastors unele olive oil. Okwari onye nwele ego na-eje ego olive oil. Okwari onye nwele ego na-eje ego holy water. Onye nwehe ego o nwere ike ije ego olive oil and holy water. I'm asking you. Some of you ifelu unu na-eme Jeno tag and the online lawyers are one have been here. Nezugo, Nifezugo Kulemena. I have chosen to use my senses at all time and not my emotion. Yes, I have chosen to use my senses at all time and not my emotion. Some churches are part of Nigerian program. Ngba Sukelu here now. Sukelu here Chugareba churches. Sukelu here Chugareba churches. Ke wole go ezibute go boda nwelu wole na agba bulletproof cars. Ke wole jere eguno na Dubai, America, London, UK, ebe niile. Ke wole na eziju ụmụ ha na the biggest of all universities in the whole world. Why you are suffering? Because you want to stay here. Disturbing people who are exercising their right and freedom to religion You don't know that not enshrined in our constitution. I was laughing at all of you who fail to understand that in this Nigeria, then we freedom of religion, and in that freedom of religion, people do free to use their money to buy any religious material they can buy with their money. It is none of your business. Some of you claim lawyers. I want you people to come to this page now. Again this night. Invite them. Matthias Ifele aheme. Okolobie we Ifele. Ojela Abuja Ijeme come and see. Omozi time court to seat. Onyo jeli represent na Ijele nye solidarity na Abuja. Agwa hair time court to seat. Oshelu court to seat cha. Court to pass their judgment. Owe bana court ije bana court premises ije normal magic oje deceive on. Yeah? Oje deceive ndo na deceive. No kwende mu ife. Yeah? City boy iwu na ezike ewo no. Okwa na ezike ewo ewo na ahụ. Owo na ewo na ahụ iwe bia ba ka mo na bia kwu okwu. Okwa ya ezike ewo ezidu ka wo ga ahụ. Jegodu gwa ahụ. Ewo ahụ eta atụ. Ịtacha atụ iwe bịa na peji bịakwa okwu mụ na unu na fe mụ na unu hence unu decide na unu aya respect onwe unu and unu aya kwaile onwe unu ugwu na unu aya kwaile onwe unu ugwu unu ya da collect ya woto ka unu ya da collect ya Joe I greet you woto ka unu ya da collect ya numerous problem this country nwelu dollar na trade at 1,600 to 1,500. Become I greet you. Petrol. Muma gotaro yesterday. 900 naira per liter. You are not bothered. The only problem in well is buying olive oil and buying holy water from the churches. Some of you know when he fell. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu enwero shame. Unu enwero one atom of shame n'ime unu. Yeah? Ị na-abịa na Facebook, the only time you na Facebook is to come and be discussing pastors this, pastors that, pastors this, pastors that. Onya with the problem Nigeria na face. Matthias shame. Court city sharp wo. Obatazie court ka ọbịa mee video ka o wee deceive ụmụ okpo. Umu okpo na umu ofe ka ọ chọrọ deceive na all people like us. Ogo, I greet you. Thank you very much. You are welcome, my sister. Yeah? Go we deceive umu ofeke. Ọ chọrọ iji come and see America wonder we deceive. All people like us. You gotta go. Joseph Chigozie Oji, I greet you. Yeah? We know when the court sat. We know when the judgment was passed. We know when everybody left the courtroom. Only Matthias knows why he decided to move inside the courtroom at the time of Ghana courtroom. Yes. When did this flight arrive Abuja? Kerumbe flight here but Abuja. That he did not know na court sitting where time OJ sit oyejiwu ochegido okwebe after 3 to 4 owejebe court no jeri ije kopa video ọ bụrụ na nne mụrụ ya ọfụma ọ ka abata that courtroom n'oge ka mmiri nwa nsi efi. Yeah? Now, against what they were claiming, I told them, no one any case the Verydarkman Unrest. Any case the Verydarkman Unrest. And the lawyer, the chief judge, is lenient enough to issue a second warning to him. The first order has been issued to him, restraining him from saying anything again about Papa J. Jeremiah Omoto. Yes, that order was clear. Now, Ojena court today, the chief judge again gave that order again. Yes, gave that order again, cautioning his lawyers to go and advise him that this is the second time this one in Nabia. The third one, Uno Yabekwa na Facebook, justice for the very dark man, justice for the very dark man, the very blue man, the very red man, the very yellow man, because he is no more the very dark man. Or reduce Gomwe from 100 to 0. Pride goes before fall. Pride and arrogance will bring you down with speed more than you can ever imagine. Distracting biko. Don't come here and distract me. Now buy her camera ke ekwife balulu. E shock you confusion go matter. Debe na comment section now na magwe. If I want to bring you in, not now. Don't come here to distract me. Unaya de ekwu eziokwu. Okay? Yeah? Unaya de ekwu eziokwu. One people eziokwu. Tell people the truth. It will cost you nothing. Forget about sympathizing with people. Sympathy cannot take you anywhere. You can sympathize with somebody, that sympathy will still not take you to anywhere. The reality is still the reality. The reality in every case remains what it is. If you like, a cry to Jerusalem. If you like, a cry to the north or cry to the east. That your cry can never take you to anywhere. The reality will still supersede everything. It will still supersede everything. Akore, I greet you. I greet you. Yeah? You see, I told them, look, can you know what to do? Mother say, no, and a in a court. Akore, you are a lawyer. Yes, Akore, you are a lawyer from Geba. You are welcome, my sister. Yeah? And a be na kologo, na kulunsi, name anything. Yeah? And a be in a court. Kill any evidence in to show that no nya kologo. Yeah? Ibuli miracle ujiko se miracle ujigare si susuru jebe court. Yeah? The question remains that Jeremiah miracle water, is it harmful to health? Number one. On ebu mmadu onwere any ingredients eji welu mmiri ahụ na holy water ahụ na ebu mmadu? The answer is no. If the answer is no, kerife problem inwelu about that particular product. That is it. But they claim to know the reality, yet 2 times, 3 times kahangwe na case. 3 times kahangwe na case. The first man ran away. He chickened out a coward, which is Matthias. He begged the Sebulana, Yombagalo, where he Ije Bona Yombagalo, Abagade, or poor. But as he say, I stand with the very dark man. As who? You are standing with the very dark man as who? Who are you? You are standing with the very dark man. You fail to stand for yourself. You are coming to stand for another man. Yeah? During your own time, you pleaded like a small baby. Like a small baby. When or then at the time of the very dark man, you are telling us you stand with the very dark man. As what? You even failed to secure a good lawyer for yourself during your own case. Yeah? You failed to secure a good lawyer for yourself during your own case. Ijele lawyer waja say no ka onye ji ka statue eji apasiment 5 webo. No ha dey ekwu okwu no lo zeus wey na ekwuri okwu. You failed to secure a good lawyer for yourself. Yeah? Oluo na nke the very dark man na say you stand with him. Jena court ilo kije gba court ni je goro material na ka mmari vi je ikpe na court ebe na amaghị ife. Fọdụ n'ime unu pụta na Facebook una ana ekwu were yati na-enyegharị mkpọtụ che na nwa m etogo na nwa m amarụ ife. Yeah? Na nwa m etogo na nwa m amarụ ife. Ifele o mehe unu taa. Ifele emehe unu taa. 600,000 ahụ o ji wee jego materials ahụ na nke Jeremiah wuo na akpa Messi City, Mesiland. Woro na akpa Mesiland. Yes. Akore TV, thank you. Or a lawyer or even witchcraft. Yes, you are right. Thank you very much. You know, kati Ijele na court, sin the court na mmadụ na ata wish. No nya ka iji wee kpọta onye a court. Na mmadụ na ata wish. No nya ka iji wee kpọta onye a court. Yeah. Court deals with physical facts and evidence. Yes, and it must be proven beyond every reasonable doubt. Owulu na edo against incense. Ndị nwadibia na amụ. Ndị mmiri banana and chewing gum. Ndị mmiri ji alụ ọlụ otu. A lot of things. Animals a na-egbu. Ndị na-alụ ọlụ shi. Na-agba agụ na ndị otu eji eme. Edo ha against them. He believe in all those things with spiritual effect. Something. Why are you against olive oil and holy water? I am asking you. Why are you against holy water? Yeah? Banana Ijele and military banana. Buy Fanta. Fanta, why Coca-Cola bottling company now? Manage ya roll. Ebanele perfume. Nime balogun. Kamado Walam Neji. Happiness perfume. Well, I'll roll more. Because of that hard smell, or what the company now, that happiness perfume. That happiness perfume is as good as holy water and the olive oil. Yeah? So, Verydarkman, pride will take him down with speed. People are wise now. This is not even the time you come to Facebook to come and start feeling like you are Galadima or what. In this social media space, you cannot even wake up one day and say anything, decide that what you said is a lie. People are wiser now. People are wiser now. Say it and people will contest it. Yes, there are so many people who became object and subject of social media bully those days. When the mother they engage in Facebook the way people are engaging now. It is no more now. A lot of voices are there speaking. You cannot even carry propaganda anyhow now, except if people just sit down and allow that propaganda to fly. I said it. Wake me up tomorrow morning again. I will tell you that Verydarkman will lose that case for as many times as he goes to court. And if he's not careful, he will end up in prison for this same case. This was the same case they were Ijele today. And the Verydarkman, the very wise, not to come to the court, because on a normal, okay, I've been a court, or I've seen them mad on a Verydarkman on a court, because believe me, people came to the court today to see him. He was wise enough because no man will know to rob an court. Now that chief judge will order for his immediate arrest and detention. He has even grown wings now that he now dares the court. Judge in order, he will front that order in this republic. I know, court in order. Verydarkman, a man, obviously more superior than even the court, and more superior than even the police in this country, in this republic where we are. In this republic where we are, can a chief judge here order, can a competent court of competent jurisdiction here order. So refrain from talking about this and this. You keep talking about that same thing as if you are the law yourself. What do you know about law? What do you know about law? People have freedom of religion and freedom of association. They can use anything as their spiritual materials to do whatever thing they want to do in their religion. That includes holy water, olive oil, and whatever thing. Even holy sand and stone. It's none of your business. Somebody on Abia do against you, Iji where go for. If I don't know Jerry Manzu, a Kosia Manenzu, Edo, Unuji Demi, Omorones, Oji, Ijoji Bebele, whether against Oji Bebele. Oisiofo, you put your Quitiana, who whether against it. All those things are materials. You buy them. You don't pick them on the road. You don't pick them on the road. This is Nuku wine. I greet you. I greet you. You want to go? Nobody is against you. People use all manner of things. Over the Uonya powder, Woloko, Bonya, Hanisi, a Woko, Bayo Baloko and Miri, a Wofanta, Bayan and Miri, a Wolu banana, Yako win and Miri, a Wo banana Shingo. Father Shaloku Jekobulaja, Hana Bamba, na Father Shaloku Jebulaja, Edevelo, Kerifeton Aja. Kerifeton Aja, what a chewing gum sweetie, Apatiozo Atorato, and a lot of things cage where Chuaja, or what a more can have believe with Hana Churaja. Yeah? Or what more can Hana Churaja. Yeah? But you have pro Imakwegone Ndane Jachuaja. Imego Nindane Wupota, Wajan Achwaja. Yeah? Or Queen Ruka, Kelafaya, Kelafaya, Eke Heat in a coup. Now, almost 700,000 Madunia Ajakeje Weshu, no go the guy in Aja home. Yeah? Almost 700,000 Madunia is an Aja, Kije Weshuria. Yeah? It's an Aja, Kije Weshuria. na ọhụụ ọgwụ ka ị gwọrọ ya. So mmadụ nwere ike iji 700,000 wee gota materials o eji wee kwakọnye something jedowe n'etiti ilo ma ọ na nkọ mmiri. This is daalụ akụrụ ezigbota mmadụ. Yes, at least you know the law more than us. Because na ịgụrụ ya agụ. The court will throw that case away because he who assert must prove. He who allege must prove. Aha agbaga ya agbaga. This is what they don't know. And they are so ignorant that they don't want to know. They think that now, look, let me tell you. Also, when you want to man and mama wezu gburu mmanụ and the Ili Ji anyaga we fu ebe mgburu mmanụ I wee bịa na court wee begide akwa from now until echi niile. He provide the evidence before beyond reasonable doubt I can come to court to pay now. And this is where there is an actual crime committed. We will say that this nonsense. We will say that this nonsense. Let me tell you, as of today, about 80,000 holy water, seraphic water, and the seraphic oil arrive go and they will finish to zero. As of today, about 80,000 seraphic oil and the water arrive go. More we even arrive there, and the hand channel ya do finish to zero. Echo beba akwa. Echo kuwisi na kota. What if you hear about it? You want to go? Echo jene any court, you will end up in prison. I said it today. Hope you are going to be in Abuja. Mataya se mataya mu court JCT. Onogido court nyecha judgment. Mechi veni no nya na court na oburu camera phone bia na court bia na akugare. Initial garagara na dey mewe. We ejide nde police. Oblo people don't like us na afuzo. People don't like us. We are seeing na in afuzo very clear. Obebia entertain no na bia Abuja. No bia Abuja. I am asking you people, how far from the cinema Ezugo? Ezugo, hope you will be in court today. Ezugo, hope you will be in court today. Yes, I'm not on the court today, but Gunu Melu. Yes, I'm not on the court today. Gunu Melu, what happened? Itiboribo. Itibo, afupu munde du, especially this guy Gulu Ezibo. Itibon komu Guru. Guru needs to go back to school. I will ensure that. Esho Gulu, Gwamne Shorega back to school. I will ensure that Ezugo family to Kolego send their back to school. I assure you that we can do that. Gulu, Ili Ji Yam back to school. Ili Ji Yam back to school. We need to go back to school. Although no Jeremiah Kosi wedo very dark man. Very dark man. Only him. Nyagara na NAFDAC office. Only him. Nyaje guru material. Only him. No na akwugari ebe niile. Only him. No na sawasi agbo ebe niile. Na akwugari from one office to another. Jeremiah ono ha na Mesiland. No leba wele ekwu ife ọ na-ekwu. So he still has to stay in Mesiland. Very dark man supposed to be a court. Bia go see how influential all the ebe niile. Ogbafuo after making so much noise. Yeah? Yes, now Guru Eziogu. Pastors are begging. The same way has a beg Ijele. Can't you see how pastors are begging Ijele? Can't you see how pastors begged Matthias? Still begging him. Where pastors went to Mpo to go and beg Matthias? Eba akano we waji ofu onye opa. Eba akano we bugo ya Abuja. Ebe ha kana ayo ka o batalo. Eba shigakwa back to tell you again. Yes. Ebe back pastors so Christian Association of Nigeria no kosoro na ayo Ijele ayo etu ak Ijele si we no on attention almost 6 months still on pastors begging no ebe pastors no kwa na ayo Verydarkman ayo ka court no we nye order that he should stay away from anything that concerns Jeremiah, and that is because Jeremiah chore do nice all na Jeremiah chore he will turn it into a case if God can instruct Verydarkman to stay away from Jeremiah and his businesses. If Jeremiah demanded if he demands for something different, he will get it. If he demands to get that boy caged and press for charges, he will get it. As of today, over 88,000 seraphic oil, about 88,000 of seraphic oil and water arrived in Gobala. They will finish to zero. I'm a government madone shattering. As you go, please, I want you to help me to get seraphic oil or seraphic water. These are men who matters in America and all over. Ndị fisi ike na-apịa ntụ osi apịa ha bịara ịbịa kụziri m aka m ha mma sef ụfọdụ n'ime ha nọ na UK na America aka ha mma sef. Yeah? They have not raised money to release Udele. They now want to put VDM inside. Thank you. This is so. Ebu ono video ahụ post this morning. Ebe nkụta nọ n'ime compound na agba ụja. Onye ahụ ọ na-agba ụja bata nkụta ahụ gbafere nọrụzie dogbu. Eh? Onye ahụ pụkwa nkụta ahụ agba ụja. Is that not all they are doing? Matayas chichaschalo. Eh? Court nyechascha judgment. Ono na Nigeria. Eh? Ono na Nigeria. Chioma Sonitek, yes, but Verydarkman still posted Prophet Jeremiah video today, even after court order. Kerifi Ijele no name. Yes, it is very clear that he will still end up like Ijele. Remember that Ijele was cautioned. He was still moving around the street of Abuja with the posted Gobi na Pagarim and Lagos. He never into Abuja, Lagos. Even when people warned him, he still insisted until I find the only way today. So, if Verydarkman decided to choose pride over sense, let that pride lead him to a boy. We will still be here to tell people. Yeah? But there is no case before the court. Therefore, it will be thrown into trash. Dara Koreo, a lawyer in the house, speaking to us from an informed. In fact, we have a learned colleague here in our midst. Yeah? You gotta go. Yeah? Akoma TV said that Ijele is out. Ijele Potano, how go I know Potagon now? 6 months is not 6 days. If I supposed to read, they may herself announce to Ijele Potago. Obasa Hog. Good Ezibo, Obasa Hog. That Yahoo. I may enjoy that Yahoo. It's not of your business. A guy is supposed to reach Goloy. I want Goloy. Forget about son. You cannot do anything. Hello, do seraphic oil and water for Lagos or Batango and the hand channel will for you for. It should just Christina Kota good. It was Siagwayaki, yes, we got it. I imagine Gonka Goloy. Won't go Gola Uyinopa. Won't go Gola Papa. Won't go Golun. Yes. You go seraphic oil. You go seraphic water. You go have Parafa water. You go have Parafa oil. Yet, when you did not manage to do anything with your money. They are 100 times, 150 times more better than you. Who are you to advise them? Arrest the pastor. Arrest Matthias arrest the pastor. So go ahead order. Go ahead. Police station is open. You can go and arrest pastors. Arrest anybody you want to arrest. Till today, you make even one single arrest. You are still here. Now, Bokankota. When are you going to start arresting the pastors for this crime in our accused of? I am asking you. Yeah? When are you going to start? It is only you people who are being arrested, who are being detained. When are you people going to start now? The pastors, I am asking you, are you not going to do it anytime? Is there no law again in this country permitting you to do that? If you know that there is no law anywhere permitting you to do so, why can't you superview? Yes. Etu ahụ mmesi wee jee n'afịa je golo ogene mmadụ akụ ogbogbo golo ekwe nji akpọ mmụọ golo nzu nji akpọtu mmụọ golo edo nji akpọzu mmụọ gokọ n'ife niile ahụ debe ebe a njezie golo oil je golo mmiri iwe ahụ ya enye owu n'afọ ifele mewu onu ejelu kọtụ taa. Court issue the last order very dark man sure nyaje Amanda she you need to see here the light of the place. Sun don't finish up. Why na sun I finish here? That guy amaghị ife ọ na-eme onwe. That guy you will hear the light of Africa. That guy amaghị ife ọ na-eme onwe. How I wish that that guy, as young as he is, how I wish that that guy will phone a moon way. Or that guy will phone a moon way. That guy is reasonable. Or that guy, a young guy in the middle. A young guy in the middle. Decidedly, each way, each future will have a ball. Yeah? Decidedly. Each picture, yeah. Each future will have a ball. Or in the name of nurture, they die entertain. Old people, time ha gacha n'alụ. Old people, time ha gacha n'alụ. Bikonu, kelu na ife melu na court today. Atụrụ Jeremiah nga. Ma ndị na congratulate akwa ọkụkọ n'ogolu barabus tụrụ oke ite. I am asking you. Yeah? I am asking you. I mean, some of them are congratulating akwa ọkụkọ. J-Pack was celebrating. Na akwọkụkọ golubens wee ruo today J-Pack ka na-celebrate na akwọkụkọ golubens kere ife akwọkụkọ na-eme ọwụ an importer na alaba ọwụ an importer na alaba ọ nọ n'auto pass azụ afịa ọ nọ na nkwọ Nnewi azụ moto pass ọ na-azụ machine pass ọkwa oke ite ọkwa ọgwụ ka ọ na-agwọ akwa agwara na ọgwụ ka ọ na-agwọ ọwụ na iberivu na ọgwụ na-arụ ọrụ why can't you believe na ekpere na-arụ ọrụ ọwụ na iberivu na oke ite egbu isere bere ọbara anụ tii na alụ ọrụ why ihe ji believe na olive oil na alụ ọrụ ọwụ na believe na ibobi isi atụ agwọrụ na alụ ọrụ why ihe ji wee believe na holy water na alụ ọrụ I am asking you answer me everyday ka ọ ya bịa na page ya na-ede elekwa olive oil emekwa nka eme fasting ebula ọsa eme this one mana ọ na-celebrate nwatakịrị ọmụrụ amụ n'ogoro barabus because not sure ka enye ya ego na mewe wedding fele emekwa unu fele eme unu niile today is another milestone to the journey anyị na-aga anyị adịghị ekwu ọnụ efu anyị adịghị ekwu ọnụ efu mmadụ na-akarị ikwu ọnụ efu akarị today is another milestone to the journey anyị bidoro ịga Verydarkman will disgrace himself 100 times. I am confident about that. Oga anywhere about this case come and tell me he will be the one who will yes. Yes, I'm telling you, I stand gidigba 100% in if I'm able. Holy water, Ijele carton yet of a baby. Anointing oil, Ijele na carton of a baby. When you're basal, it is your money. Upon your young will go to take good olive oil, and I just want people will again. And I just want people will again. Je go to Golun Nili, Lili Danny, you will advise one day go holy water. Ona do go disgraced. Igbo Nation Palace TV dalo. Now, una have to go disgrace na court today. Keri femelu na court ta violence point dalo. Keri me na court ta. It did not come to me as a surprise. Believe me, what Jeremiah asked for is what he got. I will not shall get detail of Verydarkman. He will push for something higher. Yes, he can push for assassination of character. He can push for anything. Whatever he pushed for, he's going to get it. Yes. You see, I know that I'm sweating. Mana heat is here, the light of Africa, but potana ho. Ebona advice here I have Bible. Mbaye na GP tanki aduna iube meba. Mbaye na 2 tanki dunenu oye jue. Heat is here, the light of Africa na ho pota for 1 week. Ebona choka ogwaye na Bible to fake. Oye ju GP tanki aduna na eba. Ju nke dunenu. You gotta go. My name I say me you are sweating. Mataya self wo. Towel mbombo towel na do na hotel. Ko ji abia shahiti na ekwu okwu. Yes. At least heat na ememu little sweet heat si na skin no do clean wela apota. Efori heat ya deba mmadu ye shie na white onwe ife yeme. In case if you don't know. Gulu. Ishi ifu heat. Ishi ifu heat. Jeku Masidibia na ekwu okwu. Masidibia na ekwu okwu hit esi ma na afọ onye esi ma na anya, si ma n'imi, si ma na ntị, si ma na ntutu, na agụsịsị, si ma na ọkpa na agbagota n'isi. Ihe afọ ya. Ihe afọ ya. Mata ya si na ekwu okwu wuru mgbata wela di na nwunye na-eji amaka onwe ha were eji agwa ahụ were na-abịacha hit n'ahụ ya ihe afọ ya then ihe dị na-ekwuzi okwu ọdụ ka onye tiri n'ọkụ mmụọ na imi ọkụ mmụọ hit si ihe dị n'ahụ pụta for 1 week ya eju 1000 tank adọ na ebe a ju 1000 na-abụdụ n'elu ka 7750 dị n'elu ọwụrụ one 2500 tank hit gbara ihe dị hit gbara ihe dị n'ahụ ya eju tankị taa 2500 liters tank ya dị ebe a ihe afịa ọkweta afịa you are sweating you are sweating guru the worst thing ya dị emego we be ebe a na-ede nonsense we are not supposed to be on the same pressure so him and nọ na pressure ka ezi pressure nọ na holy water and anointing oil a ọ nọ na anụ song ọ na ịnụ họ na close to 90,000 batara ngwa ọkpala ịnụbụhe anaghị egoche ịnụkworie ka unu na-adọ Jeremiah enu na-adọ ya n'ala ụnụ afụkọ ka ndị mmadụ ka na-eji adakpu na pool of Bethesda ahụ ọkwa ka na-afịa ije na pool of Bethesda ahụ dị na Mercyland ilu ebe ahụ mmadụ eju ọga onwere ife unu ekwuteghe n'okwu unu epetaghị n'akwa unu ekwuteghe n'okwu unu epetaghị n'akwa unu ekwuteghe n'okwu unu epetaghị n'akwa. We don't even need to stress ourselves much. We are only talking so that we can be telling you people. In fact, na mwa wezugo can ekwoku. It's not about my brothers. It is about you people nefu. I still want to redeem you people. I still want to maintain that part of the Bible kuruna. Na ongo na adu n'eluigwe. Ongo na adu n'eluigwe. No fum ulo bi chegari. Yes. Ofum ulobi chegale. Yeah? Their Omenala hungry members sweat inside armpit. They will see it. I have one here. Adugo's page. You are welcome. Yeah? I have one hit ya. Hit ilulunyi. Mataya sine sweat is if ye oduke ekwe suno na okummo. Ima no na eji. Yeah? If you see owurusi mmomkwato wela who send you to well we will hear na biasha hit do na ahwe Igbo Nation Palace TV, thank you very much. Ngozi, I greet you. Seraphic water to the world. No, kerife be na court ta. And to ga na makpo bata akito on e dey adding. Kerife be na court ta. Umokoko. Jenu gwa ụkwụ n'ahịa akụ chekwukwanụ ndị ahịa ekwe karịsịa nwaanyị. Welcome.
Ezigbo mman.
You are welcome.
Ezigbo mman na-apịawa ha azụ.
Ana m enye ha ya woto.
I swear to God, and I pay her to tell, and I pay her with the broken pot. With a broken bottle. Don't grip. Your man wear with the I need Dala. Matthias Hafa. No, a criminal, a banditry. Unyorico Matthias. After casing a Gulabu Kamataya soon, Biawana court. Every time what you put there, on by the side in Yogan, everywhere clear. They are not here about that. But I coin you. But I could show you for a guardian because someone and that will I go have fun. Why didn't you go? Yes. Okay, oh, yeah, no, because I don't like go emergency money. She have a job. Did about that? Be me phone where? Come on, that was here and then when he had the rocket coaster there. Got not causing your hell, Lord. I go, not query. Hand on that I need information. Are you serious? She has sent the God dream, send the son those videos. What Man, let's say there are those videos. Man, I say, where is my Attire now? Because in the story, may arrest and all the nature.
Yes.
That story, may not, you know, be talk. Because before I talk, not say, I know they just miscalculate. The magic, see, on social media. So in case, with the full heart. What
Yes.
Because I'm going to nature idea, Ben, like one chance. These people work with time on I wait time. Time. Matthias here, you road clear, don't clear. No, but I may one or two. Man, or one of the lawyers say, tell them I baby, I go busy. I go busy. Man, Matthias, or one of the lawyers say, a man on a defend this I'm off for getting and I had the man go to me so. Oh, but I called again and say a picture. The man asked, oh, your is this person normal at all? In my own name, those lawyers are when they defend the Matthias. So those are emergency lawyers that came out. They are not the people that defend the Matthias. So yeah, when that truck notice here, Hana fight this cause.
Yes.
They are emergency hired lawyer overnight. I'm not bagging with Gaskia. No, I'm gonna get I'm shaking on when I'm in Gahelia. Here with celebrity lawyers, celebrity war lawyers. And the check your lawyers in door or then defend the game when any of them not there. Just go and watch. Those previous ones from my hair release here. I'm on a headache and walk on the Osebula because JLM with the same people going down with different people. I'm not going to nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Here I will just emergency people like Kokoro. Biano kai say no picture. Let's gather here. Kai no programmer to convince these gullible people how grow their brain. Actually, Christian with their problem. Christianity with their problem. Those are the people. Yem na gbage wo gaskia. What I go? So Matthias say Ishi angry, but the thing the world rule and only they pass the message in a different form. What the Lord gets a picture. Oga pass message. One now put say na call. Where is very dark man? Where was very dark man? But question of very dark man where was very dark man na that place? I know you. I can't say don't work. But the one thing for sure is that from now till Monday, very dark man will be apprehended. This is a starting here and also the criminal matter, the criminal matter is loaded. The criminal matter in Kajigidu de la Tan. I'm an civil chemist with the national civil. It is a criminal matter like this. What a very dark man. Actually, Matthias, I wish you know. No. Hey, I'm all this your celebrity hire lawyers. Say you're wasting your career and their own at the same time. So what's going on, Amago? Even now with the show he's putting up. Jaruma people Matthias was once a Nollywood actor. Ever heard for him? So the acting is in his blood. As you get not to before now. Imagine. He was once in Nollywood. Oh, he was talking. He has been looking for hustling way. Oh, it's now walk go and ask his sister now. He was once there. And copy and dash no so in your name. So the acting is still in him. How can I perform some acting skills? Okay, until I could share final, which is about to happen. And Igbo Gababi abo. Nandekano, Ababi, and remember that the car arrest Bababi abo. I would want passion. You know, Ashi Okahan a boo and kata.
Okay, to make mother arrest and what you mother.
No, I'm just giving them people that say, if you arrest them,
Bulu. I'm telling you, when you were Gulu, say bye bye. Gulu, you have to be asked to Lebanon.
I don't know. Give my gonna boy. I know that is. Who is this person? Honestly speaking. So, like I was saying, don't worry. Matthias Irene career no 1 week. Everywhere George. I'm just saying, no. Ndi Igbo you love career Matthias. Matthias Irene career shage Nigeria and okay. Okay, dibia ja ho no jagworo ndi Isiagu. Yare ni career in 1 week everywhere mejo. Here I got the comment section and out there. Matthias, you guys are lucky him up. Matthias, I'm just being on. I'm my goon again. Make una dey praise am. Na to ne very soon oga nwazu. Ana ye na ko o ma na owo won na emecha. Well, make una dey na here we dey o. We no leave no transfer after all anyeji la sala data so. In case of I can't watch, I'll watch later. My network is not opening. Can you 24 hours? Can you 24 hours? And when the sister, I can't watch now. When I come back, I'm on free mood. I am on free mood. I know 24 hours live.
24 hours.
20, and then when no comment. Now here we take. I see the hot as we they release them. Traditional worker,
traditional worker, when do Mr. and Mrs. Chief worker the page here.
Hey, I was asking after him yesterday. Traditional workers, I was asking after you yesterday. How are you?
I'm on no new page here, Deva.
I miss my brother. I miss him. Oh, Cha, he's the only one I'm missing at this blue apple. Who didn't kingdom? My brother didn't. I miss you.
Okay, when you say yes, okay, I'm not the real page here, Deva. Maybe somebody just will maybe this page in that time.
I miss him. I've been looking for him. Oh, my brother.
My old page is having problem.
Okay, I for say because I asked after you yesterday, Gadendo. Because I was asking after you yesterday, and the man who's the go. Say, we didn't get my brother. I don't know the Denga can I know the Denga house.
Know the house.
Hey, I can celebrate the no the Denga. My brother not solo the Denga. Hey,
you are welcome.
My brother, my only sweet brother, not to lose the Denga. How many years I don't lose the Denga? I graduate. We must celebrate with the Denga.
I do again.
Kingdom and
I tell you, because happen to Angela work at the Aga. Happen to Angela work at the Aga.
can get up my brother. The only brother, another brother. And the second wife. The thing is really crazy.
Invitation here on Facebook now.
I wasn't paying attention. Anyway, man, I a lot of things. I'm new 24/7, and I'm got pages. And I'm go straightforward. I mean,
invitation here on Facebook.
I didn't know. I have no single clue. My dear, hey, my brother, try. Congratulations, so and the one I got her, Maka. At least I was the person that brought it to my attention. Oh, Emmanuel, now we didn't go on. We didn't get his so beautiful, eh? What does the one you know there? It's not good now. So we love you, my brother. We love you. We love you, my brother. I love you. Hey, what are J-pipe? I better bury your gibiko. J-pipe. Every day J-pipe. I'm a boy. Hey, to the kenda. To the then give you a J-pipe. Pusabu. J-pipe. I don't want my key. Every day I walk it. Never be a break. To think got sharp food. Oh, my brother, I hope no man not to miss Rihanna. I've missed him a lot. Oh, my brother, honestly speaking, I like that guy naturally. Oh. I like him naturally. He's my brother. So. Happen about but you think I miss you. You think I miss him. Eh, to the case you go happen back because that's just what I my brother happened don't mean I like against it on I guess the money. It was like you got back to work. You got be at back to work. I got but my poor man I don't go about that. You got on that side the permanent lie. You have to share your shareholder. No because even a lot of lovers on this side. Even a lot of lovers on this our side. So you got on one permanent side. We must remarry each other at this game. You know what Who didn't get kingdom? I miss you, my brother. I miss you there. As you got them, Matthias Wonyoshi. Matthias Wonyoshi. And the kingdom I got Kutia very soon. I got Penia. Him the thing is that Matthias is not growing. No matter how he's to struggle. No matter how he struggled to grow. He's not growing. He has struggled, he has suffered to grow. But it's hard for him to grow. That's the problem. He's full of envy, jealousy. Oh, here, Matthias and Alo. So I think I put it on somewhere. But no, can exactly. And we're going to Uncle Changas, you can. Go film. Now we there here. We don't need crowd. But behind the way, show like him. None the kind of get Joe is your way destroy her. I get destroy you with you. Truth. Facts. You can like this, you destroy again. Gonna make you pure. Pure like this, and then you gonna put it on there. What I go? As you go, I'm going to concentrate all water. Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much, Auntie. Okay.
All right,
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You see, the cotton unafugo ife na this blue app no. Unafugo ife na this blue app no. Unafugo ife na this blue app no. Ono ka yele Akọọla ọmala ọmahọ. Atụọla ofeke ofeke amahọ. Akọọla ntị ntị anụhọ. Egburu isi ntị ese. Egburu isi ntị ese. Let us laugh over what happened in the court today. You ought to go. Victory is assured. I had that put on the losing side. You ought to go. Because I now know to chat chief at my age. I carry go mad down manipulate me emotionally. At my age, I carry go because now for the mother the at my age, I carry go me pota. Pass my judgment of somebody because now somebody put an at my age, I suppose before I judge, I will look inward. You want to go? And with freedom of religion in Nigeria. As far as freedom of religion to concern, people are free to practice their religion, provided na infringe on your right in any way. Now tell me, na mmadụ chegolo holy for you with ege, keko suwe infringing on your right. Na mmadụ chegolo holy water with ege, keko suwe megido holu, omegido family, omegido anybody, omegido anybody. But I go here, 600,000 get deposit in account to work even so you go to material you here end the up in attention. I am ending this broadcast now. Stay tuned. I am coming back right now to give you people a shocking update about Ijele. Make sure you stay back. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Join this broadcast live. I have a shocking update about Ijele. Onye nke halafulu na anyo na agba agbo ha na achọkwa ka halafu another person. Ndị obi ọjọọ enweghị obi mmadụ. Enweghị obi mmadụ. Stay tuned right now. I am going to give you another update about Ijele. It is happening. Onye nke halafu ka na anyo na agba agbo ha chọkwa ka halafu another person. Ka iwe mmalụ ka obi si wee jọkọta nda njọ. But ebele emewuola onye nganga. A sị na-eluwu onye nganga. Ịghọtara? Onye nganga. Onye nganga ka ọ ya wee riwu akpọ ya onye nzuzu, kpọọ ya onye mgbu. Ịghọtago, ị na-eko, ị na-adọga. Verydarkman, ị na-adọga. Shishi, ijiro, sisi, ijiro. Onwere anything ị nwere, ị na-amakogharị, ị na-ekogharị ndị mmadụ a na-edu. I know mgbe that guy erufere ọrụ ya bido lụwazie nke mmegheri. Nke ahụ ife ekwuru that I don't think na that guy ye grow karịa bọọlụ. I don't think, I doubt. That guy nwere ike ọ ya karịa bọọlụ. Ọ ya karịa bọọlụ because ebe o decide no ịda amaghịzi ndị mmadụ aka n'anya. He is no more fighting for justice. He is now trying to step on all the toes. High people, you want to start now stepping on toes. Ị ghọtago? Wee jụọ ya wee sị nwata na-agba egwu surugede mana na surugede wee egwu ndị mmụọ. Nwata na-agba egwu surugede nye ma na surugede wee egwu ndị mmụọ. Today is another victory. Let us celebrate this victory because they thought that after today that they will make a headway. But little did they know that not the shocking thing now awaiting her. So it ended in praise. Glory be to God. Today, at least the God of Mercy Land has done it again. Even if you don't believe in miracle, believe in this one that has happened now. A restraining order warning him for the last time. He has started misbehaving. He will find himself. He will find himself in a more critical place more than Ijele. And then, we will say that na yi kwukuru yekwu. Ngwa piatuo kai bata maki update Ijele. It's going to be a brief update about Ijele. I will end this broadcast now. Join me immediately. Ayi welu as it dey hot. A very important information about Ijele. Let us come back and talk about it briefly. Kachineke wula aka emesi okwu a. Nọrọ stand by yo. Ọ na mbata ha ozugbo wụbatawa ka ịnụ as it dey hot maka Ijele nwa amama. Daalụ.